We'll see how to open RRIF account on Wealthsimple app. And for this, let me take you to the computer screen. Just below the video in the description, you will find this Wealthsimple Refer a Friend link. When you click this Refer a Friend link and sign up Wealthsimple account, I'll show you that in detail. We both get $25 reward when you deposit $1 into Wealthsimple account. Either you click on this link if you're able to click, otherwise just copy this link like this. If you're on desktop, you can paste it on the search bar like this. When you paste it and enter, if it is on desktop, you see here, I'm opening on desktop, you will see the screen where you have this sign up now to get a $25 referral bonus. So here you go and sign up to the Wealthsimple account. If you're using the referral link through mobile, then the app will open like this and you will be asked to sign up. Once you do that, once you sign in, I will get notified like this. You can see in progress. And when you do at least $1 deposit into your account, we both will get reward like this as you see on the screen. And for some reason, you don't see the reward. Remember, you have to do the deposit within 30 days of initiation. And once you do that, we both will see this reward. If you don't see that reward, reach out to me and we will figure out how to get this added to your account. Make sure you have signed using my referral link. Once you sign in, you come to the home page, and on the home page, when you come down, you see here open or move account. Click here and then open a new account. Once you click here, now you see this has entire list from credit card, checking, USD savings, DFSA, RRSP, non-registered account with margin available, FHSA, RESP, crypto, all the way down till LIF. So the RRIF account holds your retirement saving and pays you income every year. Your money continues to go tax deferred inside this account, and you must withdraw a minimum amount each year, which is taxable. Basically, you convert one of these into RRIF, that is RRSP to RRIF or Lira to RRIF depending on pension rule. I'll not go into much detail because this is not my scope to tell you, just for you to know that you cannot contribute new money. You must withdraw at least the minimum every year, and you must convert by December 31st of the year you turn 71. So the withdrawal what you make are taxed as income, and investment inside the RRIF can be included such as stock, ETF, GIC, mutual fund, etc. So some of the important rule for you to know. More details, just connect with a tax professional and they will let you know. For you to open this account, just click on RRIF. Here you see there are two options, stock, options, ETF and portfolio, how you would like to do your investing. Now, for you to understand what these two are, when you choose this stock, options and ETF, basically here you are self-directing your investment. You buy and sell your investment yourself. You are in full control of what you invest in, and this is when you are comfortable making your own decision. You're looking for flexibility and customization, and you're looking for investing for growth. You decide what to invest in and when. And here you see it mentions low fee. I'll explain in detail how this works with example, but for now, just remember this part. When it comes to portfolio, you see here, invest with confidence in portfolios built by our professional team. Wealthsimple professional team builds this portfolio and offers this to you. So there's going to be some fee on this portfolio. Once you go through with this instruction and confirm, you will see RRIF account thereafter on your home page.